Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Swiss roll cake, and it's going to be fluffy and very delicious. Let's get started. So to my big bowl, I'm going to be cracking in 3 fresh eggs. Using my hand mixer, I'm going to whip up my eggs for around 5 minutes until the eggs are soft, very light and doubled up in size. By whipping up the eggs, you're going to be adding a lot of air into the eggs, and you're going to have a very nice vanilla Swiss roll cake. As I whip up my eggs, I'm going to be adding in sugar, vanilla and some margarine as I mix. Add in my margarine and some vanilla essence. Then I'm going to whip up until smooth. At this point, I'm going to preheat my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to line a baking tray with parchment paper. So now the next step is to add in the rest of the ingredients. So I have some all-purpose flour, I have some milk and baking powder and salt. Yeah. So I'm going to add in some salt. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Baking powder. Then using a spatula, I'm going to mix in the baking powder together with the salt. At this point, you don't need the hand mixer, so I'm going to use my spatula. Gradually add in my all-purpose flour in bits as I mix using my spatula. Make sure to fold, don't overmix. My batter already smells so good from the vanilla essence, so I can't wait to have my cake. The next thing is to add in a 1/3 cup of milk. Once the milk is fully combined into the batter, the next thing is to add the butter in the baking tray. So I'm going to add in, spreading around. Make sure the butter is distributed evenly in the baking tray. Once done leveling up my butter onto the baking tray, I'm going to bake my cake for around 10 to 12 minutes, or you can check by inserting a skewer, and once the skewer comes out clean, your cake is ready. So yeah, see you after 10 to 12 minutes. My cake is ready, just from the oven. So the cake is still very hot. I'm going to straighten up the edges of the parchment paper just to make sure the edges are freed from the parchment paper. So I'm going to cover the cake with the kitchen towel, and then I'm going to invert the cake carefully. And then I'm going to remove my baking tray. You see the reason I used the parchment paper, it is quite easy to release the cake from the baking tin. And then I'm going to carefully unwrap the parchment paper from the cake. And then immediately I'm going to fold my cake together with the kitchen towel. So make sure to fold in tightly, and then I'm going to refrigerate for at least 20 minutes or until completely cool. My vanilla Swiss roll is ready, so it has been chilling for around 20 minutes. Actually, it has been 30, so I'm going to carefully unwrap the cake from the kitchen towel. Don't worry if the cake breaks, it's still going to be okay. Over here, I have some leftover whipping cream that I had made earlier for another cake. So you can add any filling that you want in the cake, from cream cheese to buttercream to whipping cream. Anything can do. So I'm going to add mine in. Spread the whipping cream around. Once done, I'm going to carefully fold my cake just like that. Once done folding over the cake once more, I'm going to wrap the cake with the same kitchen towel, and then I'm going to refrigerate for about 20 minutes before serving. My vanilla Swiss roll cake is looking so delicious. I love the way it's fluffy, and it has been so easy to make that I'm super glad, because it has been around 1 hour and everything is ready. You can serve the cake with tea, or you can serve for your visitors, whatever you wish. And you can also sprinkle in some delicious icing sugar just to serve. So this cake is so versatile. You can add any filling that you want and it's going to be delicious. So I hope you try out this amazing Swiss roll cake at home.